All right, welcome everybody to another installment of me unboxing my two silver coins for the month of July. Um, so, without further ado, let's do this thing. I can find my coins. Where the hell? Oh, here's my bag. Anyway, here they are, on time as usual. Um, this month it's been 3 years. Yep, a total of 3 years that I started collecting silver, and just two a month on auto ship. I know I repeat it all the time, but I say that just to show you the consistency that I'm doing it at and how simple it is. Um, so if you look above me, I don't know if it's to your left or your right, but right above me are the three coins that the company is going to be sending members on auto ship. So let's see if I can make this just a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go. So you see, there's the trident, which I have a bunch of those already, so hopefully I don't get the trident. The one in the middle is the turtle, and I'll just call them as I see them on the coin. And the third one is a kangaroo. So personally for me, I'm looking for the turtle. Uh, I like to get a turtle and a kangaroo, or two kangaroos or two turtles. But what I don't want is a trident because I have a bunch of those. I mean, if I get them, I get them. Not a big deal, but I like to get something different. Um, Also, when I did my June unpacking, spot silver at the time was trading. Let me see my little note here. Shouldn't say trading. It was 36.33. And today's close, let's see if I can get that to you guys. It's 38.46. So that's just to show you that silver does move up and down daily. Well, the last 2 months, in the last few months, it's been on an upward trend, but hopefully it stays that way. But like anything else, nothing is guaranteed. All right, let me get back to me opening my July silver coins, and here I am. All right, so here we go. Here we go. And let's see what we get. Let's see what I got. Here's my two little packets, and the first one. Ah, it's none of those three. It's the I have this one already. I can't make it out though. It's Republic. Oh, it's the Austrian with the violins. Yeah. Uh, right. I have this one. It's not any of the three that I thought I was gonna get, so that's a little bit of a surprise. All right. What's it saying? The Wiener Philharmonic. I don't know. I think it's in German. I can't read German. All right. So that's one. And the other one, I'm gonna say I got the same one. Let's see. Yes, sirree, Bob. So I got two of these, two of the same ones, which I already have. I wish I could really read these to you, but yeah, it says Wiener, Wiener, Phil. I don't know. Like I said, it's in German, Philharm, but it's a bunch of violins, a harp. Um, don't mind I slammed the door on my hand a couple of weeks ago, waiting for it to fall off. Anyway, these are the two that I got for the month of July. Um, they are pretty nice though. I would have liked gotten to the would have liked to have gotten the turtle or the kangaroo, but in any event, it's silver, 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 right? Um, I'll see what I get next month. So that's really it. So if you like this content, please subscribe. In the corner there, you can hit the subscribe button and, you know, get notified when I'm gonna drop a video. You'll be one of the first to know. I know you're waiting anxiously for my next video. So that's it, man. So I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye.